Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Pushir Dolakia and you guys are watching Bet Your Reactions. I welcome you all on my channel. So today we're gonna react on a video which is from the Northeast India, and the video is definitely of the people of Northeast India, basically the sports persons, or rather I should say sports people from Northeast India who represented India in various sports. और हम सब जानते हैं कि नॉर्थ ईस्ट के अंदर एक स्पोर्ट्स को बहुत ही एक इम्पोर्टेंट या अपने एक लाइफस्टाइल का हिस्सा ही मान के चला जाता है, एंड दे आर एब्सोल्युटली लविंग देयर फुटबॉल, देयर एथलेटिज्म, सम एडवेंचरस स्पोर्ट्स इज वेल, एंड दे डेफिनेटली लव इट. इसीलिए वो जो है काफ़ी वेल बिल्ट और एक काफ़ी फ्लेक्सिबल होते हैं. सो आई थिंक टुडेज वीडियो इज ऑफ द 10 मोस्ट फेमस स्पोर्ट्स पीपल who represented India from Northeast India. So yeah, let's see the video first. The original link is in the description, and make sure you watch this entire video. If you like my reaction, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So yeah, let's see the video first.
Disclaimer. There are several players and sportspersons from the Northeast India who participated in national and international sports events. This video represents selected 14 sports personalities from the Northeast India.
14. I thought it's
all the data
10.
and information provided in trivia sections are collected from Wikipedia pages, and the creator does not bear responsibilities for any wrong factual presentation.
Baichung Bhutia, of course. Who can forget him? Absolute legend.
He's popularly known as Sikkimese Sniper. He was India's youngest player to score goal at the age of 19 in 1995 Nehru Cup.
Wow.
AIFF Player of the Year 1995 and 2008. Arjuna Award 1998. Padma Shri 2008. Banga Bhushan 2014. Asian Football Hall of Fame 2014. IFFHS 48 Football Legend Players 2016.
Mary Kom, of course, another great
Mary
legend.
Kom. Nicknamed as Magnificent Mary, only woman to become World Amateur Boxing Champion for 6 times. First Indian woman to get a gold medal in Asian Games in 2014, Incheon. Limca Book of Records, People of the Year, 2007. Arjuna Award, 2003. Padma Shri, 2006. Padma Bhushan, 2013. Deepa Karmkar.
Deepa Karmkar, yeah. I think from Assam, if I'm not wrong.
First Indian female gymnast to win bronze medal at Commonwealth Games in 2014. First Indian female gymnast to compete in the Olympics in 2016, Rio de Janeiro. First Indian gymnast to win a gold medal at a global event in FIG Artistic Gymnastics World Challenge Cup, Mersin, Turkey in 2018. One of 5 women to be skilled in Prudyanova.
Wow.
Arjuna Award, 2003. Padma Shri, 2017. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, 2016.
There are so many, like, just not ending.
Somdev Dev Varman.
Yeah. He was a really rising star, such a big name in tennis at one
He
point.
won gold medal in the men's singles event in 19th Commonwealth Games, New Delhi in 2010. Won gold medals in both men's singles and doubles in the 2010 Asian Games, China. Appointed as National Observer for Tennis by Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Arjuna Award, 2011. Padma Shri, 2018. Mirabai Chanu.
Yeah. In
She won silver
weightlifting.
medal in the women's 48 kilograms weight at Commonwealth Games, 2014. She won gold medal at World Weightlifting Championships, Anaheim, USA. She won gold medal at Gold Coast, 2018, Australia. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, 2018. Padma Shri, 2018. Shiva Thapa.
I heard his name. I think I saw
He
him
is
as
the
well.
youngest Indian boxer to qualify for the Olympics 2012.
Wow.
Won bronze medal at AIBA World Boxing Championships 2015. Won silver medal at Asian Amateur Boxing Championships Tashkent in 2017. Won gold medal at Tokyo Olympic Test Event in 2019. Featured in India Today's 2014 Power of the New. Assamese of the Year 2013. ICC Sports Excellence Award 2013. Bombela Devi Leshram.
In archery, yeah. Archery
She
is
won a
also
silver medal
in
at
India's
World
domain
Archery
from such a long time.
Championships 2011. She won 4 gold medals, 5 silver medals and 4 bronze medals at various World Cups in archery. She won gold medal at Commonwealth Games in 2010, New Delhi. She won bronze medal in Asian Games 2010, China. Arjuna Award 2012. Padma Shri 2019. J. Lalpek Hlua. He is a player of Chennai Football Club. He is the second highest Indian goal scorer in the Indian Super League since its inception. He was captain of India under-19 team in South Asian Games. FPAI Best Young Player Award 2010-11. AIFF Emerging Player of the Year 2013. ISL Emerging Player of the Year 2015. Federation Cup Best Player 2015-16. FPAI Indian Player of the Year 2015. AIFF Player of the Year 2016. Sushila Chanu. She is a field hockey player and former captain of Indian national hockey team. She has a total of 150 international hockey match caps to her credit.
Wow.
She had a
150.
credit for bronze medal in Women's Hockey Junior World Cup 2013 in Germany. She helped team in winning bronze medal in Asian Games 2014 in South Korea. She won silver medal in 6th Women's Asia Cup, Thailand. Jayanta Talukdar. He was in the team which won silver medal at Junior World Championships 2004. He won a gold medal at FITA Mathexan World Cup in 2006. He won a gold medal at South Asian Games 2006. He won a bronze medal at the Asian Games 2006. He won a bronze medal at Asian Archery Championships 2015 with Deepika Kumari. Arjuna Award 2006. Sanjita Chanu. She won a gold medal at Commonwealth Games champion in 2014, Glasgow in women's 48
She, I think,
kilograms
looks like a sister of
category.
Mirabai Chanu
She won a
because her
gold
face
medal at Gold
also
Coast
resembles like her.
2018, Australia in women's 53 kilograms category. She currently holds the Commonwealth Games record of 84 kilograms for snatch segment. Chekrovo Lusoro. She represented India in archery in 2002 Asian Games and 2006 Asian Games. She was the first Naga woman to go to the Olympics. She won multiple gold,
That's a good thing.
silver and bronze medals in several events, from 1996 to 2012. Arjuna Award, 2013. Leshram Sarita Devi. She is a national champion and former world champion in lightweight class.
Wow, world
She won a
champion.
gold
That's a
medal
big deal.
and 2 bronze medals in events of world championships. She won 5 gold medals, 1 silver medal and 2 bronze medals in events of Asian championships. She won bronze medal in Asian Games 2014. She won silver medal in Commonwealth Games in 2014. Arjuna Award 2009. Devendra Singh.
I think he was also a very big name in boxing. Freestyle
He won
boxing. if
silver
I'm not
medal
wrong.
at Asian Confederation Boxing Championship 2013. Won a bronze medal in FXTM International Limassol Boxing Cup, Cyprus. Won silver medal in Commonwealth Games 2014. Won gold medal at Boxer Invitation Tournament, Hungary in 2014. Arjuna Award 2017. If you found this video helpful and informative, then please like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more informative videos in the future.
So there is one thing about these athletes is they made India proud, not just nationwide but also internationally as well, क्योंकि उन्होंने represent किया है इंडिया को, चाहे वो नेशनल टीम हो, चाहे वो इंटरनेशनल कोई इवेंट हो, वहाँ पे इंडिया को represent किया है. And you, I think, witness all the sports. Basically I think we have like major sports, जहाँ पे weight lifting है, हॉकी है, फुटबॉल है, बॉक्सिंग है, उसके अलावा आर्चरी है, टेनिस है. आई थिंक इट्स डेफिनेटली ग्रेट टू सी दिस वीडियोस. और क्योंकि हम लोगों ने, आई थिंक, आई एम श्योर कि मोस्ट of you as well knowing these stars because they represented India. They are still a big name, and of course the biggest them all are of course Mary Kom, Baichung Bhutia, Somdev Burman. I think there was a time when I also saw his Wimbledon match, or one of the match where he played against, I think, the big name, I think Rafael Nadal or someone, or I think I don't know with whom, but I think it was Rafael Nadal, but I'm not sure though. And I think he did well. He was, I think, rising star of the tennis, and there were expectations. Unfortunately, we are a country which is lacking infrastructure, so when it comes to the pushing the sports people, there is still so much to need to be done. हम लोग क्रिकेट में बहुत ही अच्छा करते हैं. Football is doing well thanks to the ISL and some other sporting club. Tennis is still something that we need to look after. Yes, we are doing well in boxing, in badminton, I guess. So we are, I think, growing up into the good sporting nation as well. I think we have always been good in terms of the team sports, sometimes the individual sports as well. But yeah, I think there is still needs to be done. But yeah, talking about this video, the Baichung Bhutia, I think the famous Baichung Bhutia, one of the legend of our country. And I think Baichung Bhutia एक ऐसा टाइम था कि किसी को मालूम हो फुटबॉल के बारे में या ना हो इंडिया में, बट बाइचुंग भूटिया का नाम उन्होंने ज़रूर सुना है. इट वाज लाइक सचिन तेंदुलकर, everybody knows about the cricket, but if someone doesn't know, they definitely know about Sachin and they heard about him. So same, I think, gone with Baichung Bhutia as well. And he was, I think, wonderful to watch as well. उसके अलावा Mary Kom, I think she is also one of the legend when it comes to the boxing. बहुत ही, I think, उन्होंने नाम कमाया है, and I think she won in the Olympics as well. And it's great to see कि वो आज भी, I think, मेरे ख्याल से वो फाइट करती है, आज भी वो रिंग में उतरती है, and that's absolutely great. उसके अलावा आर्चरी की बात करी, टेनिस की बात करी ऑलरेडी, हॉकी की बात करी, और वेट लिफ्टिंग, ऑफ कोर्स मीराबाई चानू, उन्होंने भी काफ़ी अच्छा एक नाम कमाया है व्हेन इट कम्स टू द वेट लिफ्टिंग, क्योंकि उनका नाम भी मैंने सुना. इट्स नॉट ईजी कि आप वेट लिफ्टिंग में इतना बड़ा नाम कमाए, बिकॉज यू नीड टू कंटिन्यूसली प्रैक्टिसिंग, एंड वहाँ पे जो वर्ल्ड एथलीट्स होते हैं ओलंपिक लेवल में, इट्स नॉट ईजी टू कम्पीट देम, बट आई थिंक शी ऑल्सो मेड इंडिया प्राउड. और दीपा कर्मकार, आई थिंक द ओनली वुमन या ओनली, आई वुड से, एथलीट फ्रॉम इंडिया, आई थिंक टिल दैट, जहाँ तक मुझे मालूम है, who won a medal in athletics, और या जो उसको बोलते हैं मुझे मालूम नहीं है उसका, so I won't like to go into it, but yeah, Deepa Karmakar is also a very famous name. And we all heard about her, and she has also won a medal, Olympic medal in, I think, her field. मुझे लगता है athletics ही बोलते हैं उसको, पता नहीं क्या बोलते हैं, लेकिन yeah, it was something like that. But anyway, I think this video is definitely great video to see, because I think हमें पता चला कि नॉर्थ ईस्ट के भी कितने स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन्स जो है वो आए हैं, बिकॉज हम लोग ज़्यादातर पंजाब, हरियाणा या यूपी साइड से सुनते हैं. आई एम फ्रॉम गुजरात, और गुजरात में भी ज़्यादातर क्रिकेट में ही है, मुझे जहाँ तक मालूम है. सो इट्स गुड टू नो कि देयर आर डिफरेंट सेट्स states of states which have a different kind of sporting लव, क्योंकि अगर आप नॉर्थ ईस्ट या बंगाल से शुरू करें आप तो आपको फुटबॉल का क्रेज़ ज़्यादा मिलेगा। आप फिर इस तरफ से आइए पंजाब, हरियाणा, यूपी, वहाँ पे कुश्ती, हॉकी, बॉक्सिंग उसका ज़्यादा मिलेगा। फिर आप आए महाराष्ट्र में, गुजरात में, राजस्थान में शायद, वहाँ पे आपको क्रिकेट और ये सारी चीज़ें ज़्यादातर मिलती है। सो आई थिंक द डिवाइडेड वी आर द डिवाइडेड नेशन। ऑफ कोर्स क्रिकेट इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट viewed sports of course in India, but there is a fair amount of craze of the football, tennis and some indoor sports as well. So yeah, इतना ही रखते हैं guys इस वीडियो में। ये वीडियो देख के काफ़ी अच्छा लगा। आई थिंक काफ़ी हमें समझने को मिला इन स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन्स ने कितने जो है वो अवार्ड्स जीते हैं, उनकी क्या क्या अचीवमेंट रही है, वो भी इस वीडियो में हमें देखने को मिला। सो इट्स आई थिंक ऑलवेज ग्रेट टू नो दिस थिंग इज वेल। सो इतना ही रखते हैं गाइस इस वीडियो में। आई होप आपने भी एंजॉय किया होगा। ज़रूर मुझे बताएगा कि आपको कैसा लगा ये वीडियो। आपके पास कोई भी ऐसा रिकमेंडेशन हो मुझे प्लीज़ रिकमेंड कीजिएगा कमेंट सेक्शन में। आई वुड हैप्पी टू रिएक्ट ऑन योर फेवरेट वीडियोज़। I will see you guys in the next video, in the next reaction. Till then, you guys please take care of yours and your family. Till then, bye bye and take care.